In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear chat history on Gemini AI Desktop. If you've been experimenting with prompts or just want a fresh start, clearing your chat history is a quick way to tidy things up and protect your privacy. Before we begin, a quick heads up. When you delete your history, those conversations are removed from your account and typically can't be recovered. If there's anything you might need later, consider saving it elsewhere first. Also, make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you switch between personal and work profiles on the same computer. Start by opening your Gemini account on your desktop. You can do this in your preferred browser or the desktop interface, as long as you're signed in and connected to the internet. Once you're in, look toward the top or side of the screen for the settings icon, usually shown as a small gear. Click it to open your settings panel. This is where Gemini keeps all the controls related to your preferences, data, and privacy. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Activity or something similar, like History. This area shows your past prompts and responses. It's useful to pause here for a moment and scan what's listed so you're clear on what will be removed. You might see your most recent chats, along with timestamps or brief previews, which can help you confirm you're in the right place. When you're ready, click Delete. Depending on your version, you may see a confirmation message asking if you want to proceed. This is normal and is designed to prevent accidental removal. Confirm that you want to delete and let the process run. It usually completes quickly, but if you have a lot of history, give it a few extra seconds. Once it's done, you'll notice the list of conversations is gone or significantly reduced, reflecting the change you just made. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Deleting history is account-specific, so if you use multiple profiles, repeat these steps while signed into each one you want to clear. This action doesn't sign you out, change your subscription, or disable Gemini. It simply removes the visible record of your chats from your activity area. If you ever prefer to keep certain conversations, you can leave them in place and return to delete others later using the same path. Settings, Activity, Delete. That's all there is to it. Open your Gemini account, click Settings, go to Activity, and click Delete. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your workspace clean and your data under control.